Here is a robot developed by engineer Frederick Gran, who, accompanied by the Malmö Symphony Orchestra, performed a piece specially composed for it by Swedish composer Jakob Mülrad. The performance marked the world debut of a robotic soloist in a classical orchestra, merging the unique capabilities of human and machine on stage. To play the cello, Gran used 2 robotic arms with components manufactured using 3-dimensional printing technology. Unlike standard artificial intelligence instruments, the robot did not perform using improvised algorithms, but followed a carefully written musical score. Mülrad, the composer of the piece for the robot, was inspired from the very beginning by the opportunity to experiment with a new approach to musical performance. Researchers from the Georgia Institute of Technology have created an astonishing musician robot equipped with 4 arms, each holding 2 drumsticks. But the most fascinating part is not the mechanical design. It is that the robot named Shimon performs musical pieces that it composes itself using deep machine learning and artificial intelligence technologies. For Shimon to compose and perform a new melody, it first requires an initial stimulus. In this case, a short excerpt from an existing musical piece is used. After analyzing the key parameters of the provided input, the robot generates multiple variations of a potential composition and selects the most harmonious one. As a result, new music is born, with a style that lies somewhere between classical and jazz. A new era of musical performances has begun in China. Concerts are being held across the country, where humanoid robots are the main performers. Developed by leading technology companies, these robots possess a high level of motor skills, artificial intelligence, and the ability to reproduce complex musical pieces on various instruments. The performances are taking place in the largest cities, including Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, and Shenzhen, drawing full audiences. The concert programs feature both classical works and contemporary compositions, as well as musical experiments where robots create new melodies in real time using machine learning algorithms. The public is reacting with enthusiasm, noting the astonishing blend of technology and art. The humanoid musicians have become a true sensation, and tickets for their concerts sell out within minutes. Meet Teotronico, a unique pianist robot capable of performing extremely complex musical compositions with a level of precision and virtuosity beyond the reach of even professional pianists. Even professional pianists fall short compared to this android, as it has 53 fingers, allowing it to cover more keys and play pieces of incredible complexity. Creating this marvel of technology took 4 years and approximately $4,500. The robot is equipped with cameras in its eyes, enabling it to observe the audience and respond to their emotions. If the listeners do not enjoy the music, Teotronico changes the repertoire. Its system can also be loaded with song lyrics, allowing Teotronico not only to play them, but also to sing. Japanese engineers from Toyota showcased their astonishing humanoid robot, capable of performing musical compositions with high precision and expressiveness, both on the violin and the trumpet. The robot is equipped with 17 joints in its arms and fingers, providing it with human-like dexterity and allowing it to accurately control the bow and strings. Its height is 152 centimeters, and its weight is 56 kilograms. Precise coordination of movements enables the robot not only to reproduce notes flawlessly, but also to create vibrato, adding emotional depth to its performance. When playing the trumpet, the robot uses an integrated air mechanism that simulates human breathing, allowing it to achieve a natural sound. It can precisely control the strength of the airflow and the position of the lips, reproducing lively and dynamic musical phrases. In the near future, we may witness a concert performed entirely by robots where they will play music with the same precision and expressiveness as humans. The Singaporean company Amage recently unveiled its new pianist robot at the CES exhibition, capable of performing complex musical compositions with high precision. The robot showcased its abilities by playing several classical pieces, capturing the attention of visitors and industry professionals. Image's development combines advanced robotics and artificial intelligence technologies, enabling the robot to analyze and perform musical pieces while taking into account the nuances of interpretation. This opens up possibilities for using such robots in educational institutions, concert halls, and as interactive exhibits in museums. The presented pianist robot demonstrates the potential of integrating robotics into the field of art, expanding the boundaries of human-machine interaction. Amage plans to continue refining the technology, aiming to achieve an even higher level of realism and emotional depth in performance. At the recent International Robot Exhibition in Japan, a new musical robot was unveiled, capable of performing the popular song Senbonzakura with remarkable precision and expressiveness. This humanoid android named Otamaroid combines cutting-edge technology and artistic mastery, demonstrating how modern robots can reproduce complex musical compositions. Otamaroid is equipped with highly precise mechanics and software that allow it to accurately reproduce the melodies and rhythms characteristic of Senbonzakura. It can not only perform the notes with precision, but also convey the emotional tone of the piece, making its performance particularly impressive. The presentation of Otamaroid at the exhibition highlights the developer's ambition to integrate artificial intelligence and robotics into the fields of art and culture. Before you stands perhaps one of the most unusual robots from Russia, featuring incredibly realistic facial expressions, who can also sing and has even released its first song along with a music video. The company W Expo created the humanoid robot Arty, based on the Robo-C robotic platform developed by the company Promobot. According to its creators, the robot possesses anatomically accurate mechanical movement, a wide range of micro-expressions, and elastic silicone skin. Arty was presented by the developers at the International Exhibition Forum, Russia, at VDNH. The robot is capable of expressing emotions, playing, singing, and interacting with a conversation partner. The development is based on software using motion capture technology, which replicates human emotions, facial expressions, and gestures. According to the developers, the goal of the project is to showcase the advanced capabilities of robotics and artificial intelligence to inspire and entertain audiences, demonstrating the potential of robots in various areas of life and business. The creators announced that Arty is available for production upon request in any quantity. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video you liked the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.